Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a few different ponytails. I have 4 ponytails to show you. This is one of them. So yeah, this is just like a little ponytail lookbook. I'll have the information on each one in the description box below. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just stay tuned. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now.
Got me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Okay guys, so that was all the ponytails. I hope you guys like them. I want you guys to comment your favorite one in the comment section below, and like I said, I will have the link to all of them in the description box. If you guys have any questions, just comment below. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.